Hi, I'm Bruce Johnson, Director of Innovation at Summers Manufacturing, where we've been building farm equipment for over 50 years. At Summers, we know that quality matters. That's why today we're very excited to announce that the best built land rollers in the industry now carry an unprecedented 10-year factory warranty. We know that in the busy spring season, the last thing you need to worry about is downtime, whether that be a breakdown in the field or on the road. That's why our engineers and our team of employee owners at Summers go to great lengths to design the best possible product using the best materials, and we back them up with great service and the best warranty in the industry. To learn more about our land rollers or any other quality products from Summers Manufacturing, visit us at summersmfg.com or contact your local Summers dealer. Have a great spring.